Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko.
What's up guys, welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. Breaking news, Asante Kotoko have appointed Abdul Gazele as the head coach. I know most of you might say, why not appoint Johnson Smith since he's been doing well? The thing is that Johnson Smith doesn't have, is not a licensed A coach. The requirements for being a head coach in the Ghana Premier League is license A, and Justin Smith is holding license B. He's a license B coach, and that is why he can't be the head coach of Asante Kotoko. He has been an interim coach for Ghana Premier League. For the Ghana Premier League, an interim coach can be in charge for up to 30 days, and the 30 days has expired. So Asante Kotoko, since they haven't found a new head coach, have decided to appoint Abdul Gazele with Johnson Smith, his assistant, and Akakpo Patron to be in the technical staff. The GFA announced today that they received a letter from Asante Kotoko saying that they have appointed Abdul Gazele as the head coach. They are yet to receive official documents from the club, but they received a letter that Abdul Gazele has been appointed the interim coach of the club. Now, the reports also stated that Johnson Smith will be going for his license A document or qualification, and Asante Kotoko are willing to sponsor that. I'll be pleased to see him get it because he's a very good coach. He has done so well for Asante Kotoko till now. It's just sad that he can't be the head coach because of his license B certificate or credentials. I will be pleased. I will be very elated that whenever we see, I'll be very elated to hear that he got his license A certificate and becomes the head coach of Asante Kotoko. But right now, the only person with the license A is Abdul Gazele, and it makes sense that he is the head coach since the 30 days for interim coach has expired. So that's a quick update I wanted you guys to know, and I would like to know your thoughts on the development, and put them in the comment section if you have any thoughts on the whole situation. So I think that's all for now. If you haven't subscribed to that right now, and click the notification bell. Till next time guys, goodbye.